interval to use. As we are dealing with energy and how the solar energy is being stored for us to be able to use. So as you can see, that's a solar panel on the primary building, and we also have ours here. So as you can see, here we have what you call the connecting wires. With the projector that we are giving, with the projector, you have to get a connecting wire. And we have a whole lot of wires. We have the flexible wire, the 1.5 mm, we have the 2.5 mm, we have the 6 mm, and we have the 10 mm. With the meters and the rest, we use some of them uses the 6 mm, and others use the 10 mm. And then what else? And they are the feeling. When they are, it will not work. So we have conducting wires that is being connected to a solar panel up there. And if you go to the office, your mistress office, you will see that we have these batteries, some of these batteries there. And as I said earlier, we have the terminals and we have the positive and the negative terminal. Likewise, the panel there. The connecting wires will be connected to the terminals. So whenever the sun shines or scorch, it will just absorb the rays from the sun and it will store it in the battery. This is the battery. Yesterday we went. I took you through the dry cell and the wet cell. So this is an example of a wet cell. We have electrolyte in, and we also have what we call a sulfuric acid in. And if you take my motorbike, you take that of Azopo, we also have the wet cell. Now, the electrical circuit that motor that you are functioning well. And the power that is being stored or the energy that is being stored from the solar panel, ESO. And I can't use that entirely on my phone, and we can't use that in operating our television, with our fridge, and in our household normal things. We can't use it. Therefore, you have to get what we call an inverter. This is an example of an inverter, and I will say this is a mini transformer. Because a transformer, a machine here, and no, convert energy no, if high voltage about a lower voltage, now which you use. Now, so this is the inverter. As you can see, we have a three socket. We have a socket here. That's a socket. With the socket, we have the light, we have the earth, and we have the neutral. The earth is always up here. Yeah, that's the neutral. I don't want the earth, you say, I don't know atom. So what I call this electric field, so we say, maybe if you say, hear the Bible shuffle, you have been seeing such wires. Yes, and near the earth, you will be connected to the earth. So that they are whenever any thunderstorm strikes, and now as I know that you see it, and say we will get now with your television, your freezers, and the things that you use in your house. And to the inverter, we need to understand the energy that will be stored in the wet cell or in the battery. You can't use that. So it's going to convert the energy to a usable form. And you ever say the energy is let's say 1,000 kilowatts. And the converter of ABBA is a 220 volt, 420 volt, 115 volt. So you can use it in charging your phone. As when then you just use your extension board, you plug it here, then you will get a nice energy to use. So that's how the solar energy is being converted or is being absorbed to using the solar panel to the connecting wires and stored in the wet cell, and we use a converter or a mini transformer to adjust and make sure that the energy and the current that flows through the system is normalized for us to do. Any question? Any question? Yes, we are going to construct our own solar panel. So this is what you do in groups. Again, you are going to very nice. You are going to get a solar panel, maybe just a small one, and you are going to use it in a circuit, in a circuit form. Then the other groups, yeah. But this time, though, we are not going to use the dry cell, but we are going to use the energy from the sun. So we are going to use the solar panel. So I'll give you the guidelines, the materials that you need, and I'll provide you with a procedure on how to do it and make sure you have another energy. And if you know how to construct this panel, I don't think you will really, really be connected to the national grid again. Yes. When I came here, that was 2018. There was no lights here, so that's what we have been using. So this inverter, it had a problem, and we bought a new one. We have an inverter, a new inverter there. And it is also bigger than this one. And we use in charging our phones, we use in charging our porch light, and we use in doing both in the house. And it became an income generating activity for the school as well, where people will pay before they use the solar to charge their phones and other. Okay, let's move to the classroom and continue with the tutorial. Thank you very much. Let's go.